Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to paint directly on your model without using textures. First, how do we get into painting mode? Select your object and switch over to Vertex Paint. Here are the brushes you can work with. Another way is through sculpting mode. Just select Paint and switch to the brushes there. Let's try painting something. Not looking great. That's because this only works with real geometry. If you want to see your painting in the viewport, switch to Attribute mode. Remember, this works only with real geometry. It won't work properly with subdivision surface or multi-resolution modifiers. So let's apply the subdivision surface and try again. Looks better, but still not perfect. We need even more geometry. Let's add it using Remesh. Now the mesh is much denser. And the result is already looking much nicer. But what if you only need a dense mesh in specific areas, like when painting a tattoo or adding eyes to a character? For that, switch to Dyntopo mode and use the Density tool. You can change the brush size here and simply paint over the spots where you need more detail. Once done, turn off Dyntopo and paint again. See, this side looks great, unlike the other side where the mesh isn't as dense. You can change colors here. Hold Shift to smooth the paint and Control to erase it. Oh, and by the way, if you want your painting to actually show up in the render, you'll need to create a material and set the base color to your color attribute. This works in both Eevee and Cycles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.